Give us a title.
Our title is Microcystis aeruginosa as substitute for pulp in paper production.
Okay, let's look at the flow chart. Okay, let's start the discussion at the end. Yeah. You will start. So, who gave you the idea that there's a supplier of algae? Louder.
We search on the internet.
There's a supplier. Where is the location? In what place can you find the supplier? Sabi na nga ba eh. China. So they will do a project and the raw material, major raw material, will be obtained from China. Don't you think that will be expensive? Yes. So why did you still try to push through with your plan? Because there are no other options? Is that it? Oh.
We're finding,
Louder.
sir, we're finding
We're trying to look.
we're trying to look for which supplier which sells
A lower price. Again, what are you trying to come up with?
So we are trying to replace the pulp that we usually get from the wood for paper with algae pulp.
With algae. So how will you make the paper? How do you intend to make the paper?
So by using the pulp from the algae, we'll make the paper by substituting.
What processes, technological processes, will you use in making the paper? Which is supposed to be your group's finished product.
Since producing or making paper is a very difficult process, we will be asking for help from local paper mills.
But still, you have to have some idea of how paper is made.
We will culture the algae that we're trying to find from pharmaceutical incorporation.
Let's go back to this member of the group. What's that? Collect and inspect finished product. Okay, how will you inspect the finished product if ever you were allowed to continue with this work?
We will try to compare. We will try to compare our paper to
How will you compare?
chemical standards.
So what are those standards? Can you tell us? US standards. So what are the US standards for paper? What do you know about the US standards? pH scale of 7. Scale na pala pag 7. pH number. Okay. What else?
Actually found out about how much it should be.
So what gadget will you use or gadgets will you use to evaluate your finished product?
At first, you will, because the main reason why we pick algae is because it can be a
ideal in paper making, for paper making rather?
Well, actually, pulp is the major ingredient in making paper.
Because?
Because it pulp is used in making paper mainly because it's fibers that are that are essential in paper making.
And then, what data do you intend to gather?
We're trying to find if the materials that we are going to use in making our paper would be reliable and if it wouldn't cost us that much.
Okay, let's give them a hand. Next group na tayo, last group na.